Hello my lovely, so I'm Lizzie from Love from Lizzie, and today I'm bringing you the August 2025 Love from Lizzie card kit. We've got a few little updates to give you before we get going, and they are really straightforward. We have got the winner of our layout number 4, Charlotte. Get in touch with us and we will award you your $52. Thank you very much. We've had some wonderful participants this month, and our brand new blog challenge is live today. Now this month, for the first time, we are using our brand new background builder die set, which is background builder 2. Now the challenge is running from today up until the 18th. All you have to do is make a card that looks like the layout. So here's the layout, and this is the die set. So to create, you use this outside die and then the cut piece as well and the stitching, and then you've got this border here which is used along both sides. Now for the next 3 months we will be using this die set, and here is a card that I've actually made using the layout. I just used our With Love paper pack, some of our holographic mini hearts in silver and cardstock, and then Just Because stamp set. Really simple card, really quick to put together, and I'm really pleased with that one. Anyhow, so that's the challenge. The challenge blog is up and live now, so please have a look and please join in. You don't have to use the die set if you don't have it, but just follow the layout and enter. You can upload your images straight to it, or you can share to your Instagram or your blog. But yeah, have some fun, make something. I've really enjoyed making for these, so I hope you will as well. Anyhow, emails are up to date, orders are up to date. We're in a really good spot. We are going to be stopping add-on orders on next Tuesday at 9 AM, which is going to be the 29th. To be shipping for the 1st. So, right, you've had enough of this. Let's move into the kit. So, the kit this month is Under the Sea, which, as you can see, really lovely colours. These colours are all day long my absolute favourite. So I'm going to start off with the cardstock. As it does every month, the kit will come in plastic Ziploc bags to protect it on its journey from us here all the way to where you are. We do quite literally ship these kits all around the world, so we want them to be nice and pristine when they arrive. So we have this really lovely lilac cardstock, then we have a mauve, we have white, alcohol marker friendly, we have a very soft grey, and then we have mint. Now these are 8.5 by 11 inches, so you can split them lengthways or widthways to make A2 card bases, and you can make 10 cards using just the cardstock. I often switch out these pieces of card and use white. I really enjoy white card bases, and then I've got these for die cutting from, or matting and layering, but it's your personal preference. Okay, so then you've got the colour palettes now. I'm going to show you the papers. Now, they're 6 by 6, they're single-sided, and they are Under the Sea, and they are beautiful. I absolutely love this kit. It's so pretty. We've got these really beautiful striking jellyfish and seashells. This is obviously like a really nice middle banner, so it would look really pretty as a 6 by 6 card, but also if you chopped this into sections it would look lovely too. This has got this really lovely deep blue, and it's very whimsical. It's as you can see, really very pretty, all of it is, and it coordinates so well. I've picked out colours for the cardstock that are not what you would traditionally consider Under the Sea, just to make it a little bit different, and so that we can pull out some of these really lovely tones that are within. But as you can see, the seashells, the greens, the blues, the teals, and then the pinks, and this is really lovely, is water. Anyhow, we've got the shells, and it appears as though it's glitter. It is completely smooth, so you're not going to have any risk of shedding, and you still get that lovely effect. This almost looks like satin that's been creased with little pieces of glitter. Then we have what looks to be like a solid glitter with some flecks of purple and green. And then some more of the seashells. A really pretty blue. And then a pinky purple crushed look. And then you have the cover sheet. So they are your 12 plus cover sheet. We have also got a sheet of specialty. We have half a sheet of silver mirror. It is, as you can see, super shiny. So I will pop that back here just so that the camera isn't constantly trying to focus and we're dealing with the reflection. We've got some material. Oh gosh, it's all flying out. We've got some material, and this is so shiny and soft. And it's really lovely, and it works both ways if you prefer to have that tone on tone. But this, the mermaid scales, or fish scales, depending on which way and how you want to use it. But I think it's particularly pretty, and I like to add something a little bit different and unusual. Now, this is going to be particularly difficult to show on screen, but this is 5.5 by 4.25 inch of acetate, so that you could make a shaker card if you wanted to, you know, share under the sea with some of the designs that we've got, so that things can float around. So we've included that for you, but obviously very difficult to photograph. This is the same size, and this is self-adhesive vellum. I'm using vellum on so many of my cards at the moment, and I'll pull you into the close-up camera to show you. All I do to get the adhesive is I fold the corner ever so slightly, and it will separate the backing from the front vellum, and then you can peel them away. But this is wonderful for die cutting or for matting and layering, just to take some of that starkness away from a background, but without taking away from the background. So they are those. We have brand new straight denim mirror peel-offs, which I thought were a really lovely touch because they're lovely and bright and blue. We have got 2 pieces of specialty ribbon. Now this is almost a mesh, and it will stretch to be thin if you want it to, or you can pull it to be as wide as possible. But it's really good fun to play with. But something that I really like is how you can sort of squash it up and create like these perfect bows. They hold their shape so well. And anyhow, I'd be really interested. I'm really looking forward to seeing how everybody uses that on their cards. And we've also got this. I saw it and I couldn't resist. It reminds me of those angel fishtails. But again, it's similar width to a card. So you could, if you wanted to, cover your whole card front with this and have something behind. As you can see, it is slightly sheer. It's got that really pretty iridescence that you see on a lot of fish. So we went for that as well. We also have in this bag your stamp set. So you have the jellyfish. I believe one of these is called a conch seashell. Not sure which one's which. This is a sand dollar. Obviously we have a unicorn seahorse because every sea has a unicorn seahorse. Tiny starfish, a really pretty like anemone, and another sea coral. So really pretty designs that would look lovely heat embossed, or if you wanted to add a slight bit of colour, you don't need to add very much because the detail on these stamps is so intricate. And this coral would look lovely just stamped in coloured ink. So there's no colouring at all with that one if that's not your jam. The sentiments read, a happy hello, love you, can't wait to see you, see as in the sea, seize the day, see you soon, and long time no see. So a little bit punny, but also the happy hello and love you, which are very straightforward if you would rather go down the traditional route. Okay, I'm trying to find spots where I can put things where they're not just going to be pure glare. Anyhow, last in the A4 bag, we have the ephemera. So if we just do this, that will take some of the shine away. So you have a whole pack of ephemera. And there is lots and lots in here. I'm going to pull out some pieces. So you've got jellyfish, and you've got jellyfish in lots of different colours, and it all matches perfectly with the kit. But let's just take some for now. So we have the sand dollar, and these shells, and then we have these bubbles in lots of different colours, which are super fun. You have the flower. You'll recognise some of these items from the stamp set. So they're larger versions, smaller versions, but filled with colour. So as you can see, lots and lots and lots to play with. But there's another kind of coral shape, another sand dollar. We've repeated some of the items that we think are going to be super popular, and we've increased the size on some and reduced it as well on others. So, but look at that, it's so pretty, and layering it over, you know, a pretty piece of pattern paper with a lovely stamp, a piece of vellum in between to make the topper pop, and you've got a card made. But ephemera like this makes card making so easy. You could gather up a collection of shells. You've got lots more bubbles, more coral pieces, different kinds of underwater bloom, really lovely large jellyfish there, shells. So as you can see, lots and lots, all the different bubbles in all the different colours as well. Some of them have jumped around the wrong way for me. But yes, smaller shells, larger shells, lots of very pretty in this pink, purple, blue, green with the fake gold glitter print to them. So that is the ephemera pack. So there's lots in there. Try not to take the acetate with me and then worry about where that's gone later. Next up, we have the embellishment bag. So in here, we have got the dies. Now there are 3 dies this month. So this is a seahorse skeleton. Now when I say skeleton, it's not weird, it's not Halloween. It's only the inner parts that will cut. So if you die cut this from a piece of pattern paper, pop your acetate behind, then you can create a really pretty shaker because there is no outline edge to this die. You can of course cut around all the extra, but I will show you that die momentarily. The other 2 dies that we have are these fish, and they're so pretty. One is ever so slightly larger than the other, and they do have a differing design inside, but they are the 3 dies. We have 2 strips of gold gems to go with the gold glitter. That is the detail within the kit. We have some cords. Now I really love these. They are waxed cords in purple, green and blue, and you get approximately 50 centimeters of each of the colours. But they are similar-ish to like fishing line, you know, or you can thread some of the pretty little bits I'm about to show you on. There are also 2 little wooden pieces. You have a wooden heart and a seashell. And then you have a bag of, now this is like sea treasure. This is the sort of thing that you would find under X that marks the spot. So we have got 5 of these very pretty. I'll put you on the close-up camera here so you can see how shiny they are. They are super pretty and shiny. Starfish in baby blue. There are 2 glass beads that look like tails. You've also got 4 turtles. Now they are double-sided turtles. As you can see, you've got like the underbelly, and they have a hole that goes from the mouth to between the legs at the back, so you can thread them onto the cord. They are actual beads. And then you have 6 specialty gems in both stripes and scales, and they have got this really lovely finish in It's like an AB finish, so it's super, super Aurora Borealis finish. That is, sorry, I should have made that more clear. And it is like a shine over the top of them, and these look like mermaids and these look like stripes. So they are all of the lovely bits and pieces that you get in the kit. That is the entirety of Under the Sea. I really hope you like it. These colours make me really very happy. I like a lot of white and a lot of the cool tones, so I'm going to have loads of fun playing with this. There is a hop tomorrow over on Instagram with the design team. Hop along, leave a comment, make sure you follow them, and you're in with a chance of winning some gift credit to our store. And we have got the release video coming up shortly, and we are going live tomorrow making with the Under the Sea kit, doing our brand new layout challenge. So I really hope you can join us tomorrow, but join us in a moment in the release video. I'll pop some still shots up now so you can have a little closer look, and press pause if you need to, so that you can really get to see what it is that is coming in your kits, which will be being shipped out next week. Anyhow, thank you for sticking with me till the end, and until next time, make something beautiful. Bye.